Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote start, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, ambient lighting, speed control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.